Kia ora, just a bit of a tutorial on how to play Anō Te Pai. This is one of the many ways how to play it anyway. We play it on a D chord. Right, you understand the D. So the chords you'll be using mostly will be D, E minor, A major. You'll also be using F sharp minor. So you play F chord, move up, take the middle finger off, makes it a minor. Then also your G chord. You'll be playing this half note as well, or if you just go from D, take the chord off in bar, it's the same as really. Then back to the G, G minor, E minor, A major, A7 if you're feeling cheeky. Just get that little nice note, and then back to D, D major. Cool. So this sort of chord progression, it'll go. The strum is probably the trickiest. So you'll go. How I did that really is all you got to do when you're playing the D chord is you strum, but you take the bar off, just so you get this kind of sound. So you go. And then you get into the rhythm, so the rhythm will go. So pretty much all I did there was I went from D major, I dropped it to C sharp, to a C sharp, back up to D major, then up to a D sharp, and then on to E minor. So you don't actually have to do that. That's just kind of how you open up the song, or how I've been taught to open up the song. You can just go. Yeah, you can do that. But just in case you want to know. So that's the intro. So I'll play that one more time, you can just try and pick it up, eh? So. The other chord is just a sharp back to A sharp 7, sorry, instead of having that little, make it sound a lot better. Yeah, cool. So that's the intro. Then you have the verses. So that's just real simple chord progression. Just that's where your F sharp minor. That's the whole song pretty much. Yeah. Oh, you'll get to the end of it, so that's pretty much the first verse, you know. And then you'll get into the second verse. And then when it ends, pretty much just the ending part, you'll go. So all I've gone here is what is that, B major 7? Yeah, B major 7. So pretty much where your E minor note is, just taking these 3 fingers, moving them all up one string, and make that a 7 with the pinky off. So that'll go. The strum, there's two ways that I know how to play it, so you got that rhythm that just it doesn't have, you know, your traditional Māori stop sort of thing. You can add that in, it's just gotta sound a little like something like that. You'll figure it out really, to be honest, but those are the chords. Hope that helped. Video's getting a bit too long now. Yeah, so you just wanna, just on that D chord. At any time, all the chords will be the same obviously if you take the note up or drop it down. But other than that, ka pai, ka pai. Hope you guys are doing well, kia ora.